don't. Oh no. Oh no. I can't. I woke up this morning with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. A melody pure and true. This is my message to you. Don't worry about it.